welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk through how roasted salted peanuts are manufactured inside this facility.
Gauge reading is clear.
Maintain current flow rate.
The roasting curve looks perfect on stage 3.
Yes, the color grading is consistent with the last run.
The curve on stage 4 is slightly lagging.
Let's increase the heat by 2 degrees to compensate.
The loading rate is holding steady at 500 kilos per hour.
Good. The rotation speed seems optimal for the batch size.
The calibrated steel rollers ensure a precise crack every time, while the suction vents immediately remove the husk.
Temperature is holding steady at 180 Celsius.
RPMs are consistent. The blanching process looks good.
The combination weigher vibrates rhythmically, ensuring precise automated weighing as the roasted peanuts fall into the stainless steel buckets.
The manufacturing process begins with a precise steam sterilization cycle, carefully monitored by our technicians.
This narrow belt inspection line uses high-speed cameras and precise air jets to sort the kernels. What the machine
batch looks consistent with the 3B standard.
Yes, the color saturation is perfect.
The core temperature is stabilizing nicely at this point.
Yes, the airflow is consistent across the belt.
High-speed cooling fans rapidly harden the seams, ensuring the durability of every pouch. Pressure is stable at 15 psi.
Noted. The inflation appears uniform across the batch.
Check the integrity on that last batch.
Looks consistent with the pressure drop we saw earlier. The seal failed the thermal imaging.
This is the completed roasted salted peanuts product, ready for distribution. The production cycle is completed successfully.
Subscribe for more industrial factory walkthroughs and manufacturing breakdowns.
Keep an eye on the pallet height sensor right there.
Looks aligned. The next batch is coming through.
Okay, push it back. Despacio, despacio. Next one goes to the truck on the left.
The throughput on this cycle is up 2%.
The laser alignment is perfect on the top layer.
We should implement this pattern across line 4.
We have to make sure every single one is facing front for the display.
Right, the salted peanuts are very popular.